Welcome back to Yogi PC Tube. Today, I'll show you how to install Google Play games on your PC so you can play your favorite Android games on a bigger screen. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. Let's get started. Step 1. Download Google Play Games. Open your web browser and go to the official Google Play Games website. You can find the link in the description below. Click the download button to get the installer. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Step 2. Installation process. Double-click on the installer file to begin installation. Click Yes when prompted by the user account control. Follow the on-screen instructions and wait for the installation to complete. Step 3. Setup and login. Once installed, open Google Play Games from your desktop. Sign in using your Google account. Browse through the game library and choose a game to install and play. You're all set to play Android games on your PC. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming tips, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!